sheet na naka-indicate, pwede na sa BL. Pero kung wala po siya sa BL, mo nang mag-declare na lang si importer o si broker na siya may declare. Yan ang gamitan ng sir. Sa niya nga, makuha din ang freight. Let's say for example, method 6, ang shipment, pangalitan, barko. Di na mo pwede ng barko, yung import, isa kayo barko. Di na ba, no? But the problem is, when the vessel arrives here in the Philippines, ipalit din siya, import din siya. Wala siyang isa kayo barko. Asa sa freight.
Gasolina.
Diba? So, pwede lang sa gasto, sa gasolina, sa pagkulang, na-declared freight nga. No? So, pwede na. Basta wala niya, may kabul lang siya in the absence of commercial invoice and bill of lading. Why? Because practicality-wise, the goods declaration will be based on the what? The invoice and the bill of lading. Nakuha niyo may idea? So, magkaroon lang ng value na declared kung wala itong pinaka-main source, commercial invoice and bill of lading. Okay? So naman yung iba, gamitin lang ng 10% kaya hindi naman gikan sa ASEAN countries, no? 15% Euro. Okay. Next is 70% of gross conference rate or IATA. Conference, guys, that refer to the association or organization of shipping lines. Ano mga bandera, ano mga conference. So nana sila ay tinatawag na mga published rates. So nag-publish na mga rates. So buhaton karon, natin ang published rates, di ba na magtitigol ng aparato ng isa, so competition na siya. So kung wala may specific na amount, kasi na-publish na rate, multiply, i-multiply sa 70%. Wala nag-chat sa dado sa mga naman. Wala nag-chat sa dado, namula mo whiteboard pen.
Asa
Gusto kayo nag-chat? Suwan ko ba?
Mga boys, hindi ka na mga late.
Ha? Kasi the officer.
Kasi mo to office.
Sige lang, no? Basta kahit
Ato
palangitan, no? 5,000 ang gross conference rate or IATA rate. Multiply mo sa 70%. So don't forget guys, 70% is 0.7 in the calculator. Or amount times 70 divide 100. I-direct na lang 2.7. Ano ba siya? Conversion from percent to decimal. If you want to use the maths method, mata-mata.
Ano yung maths nga sila?
Pag percent to decimal, move 2 places to the left.
0.7.
70%. Gawin mong decimal, 2 places to the left, 0.7. 1, 2, diba? From the last. Right? From decimal to percent, 2 places to the right.
Okay, sir.
Okay, ano ba? 10% po. 10%. Move lang ka 1 place to the left. 100, 2 places to the left. 1,000. Sir, ML, ako i-convert into liter, 3 places to the left.
2 places.
Or, ML divide,
200.
para maging liter, 1,000. Diba? 25,000 ml, 25 liters. 3 places to the left, 25. So, ganun lang yung para madali lang mga ideas.
Conversion.
Or conversion. So, other sources, kung wala na gina sila, no?
Case.
Sabi mga possible other sources, mga arbitrary freight rates. Kabalo pa kayo mga nagano din, tutorials.
Tutorial.
Ano naman itong mga arbitrary freight rates for refrigerated shipments?
Wala.
Yan.
Wala man ko.
At least yan pa. Okay, duty about freight. Again, it is the freight to be applied, has to be added to your FOB value in the computation for duty about. Yan. First rule, The C in all, 22 to 7. So C freight muna tayo. C freight.
No freight
First
charge
rule,
is
basahin niyo yung
indicated.
lahat. 1, 2, 3, go.
If no freight charge is indicated in the commercial invoice,
or if included in the invoice, but no separate value was allocated for the freight charge.
Freight
Then-
charge.
Then
The
the
freight charges
charges
indicated
indicated
in
in
the
the
area
area
or
or building
shall be deemed as duplicable freight. Right?
Freight. So, freight kasi is parang takot, di ba? Yes. So, ano daw? If in the invoice, the amount of freightage is not indicated, is not found, what will you do? What is your option? Yes, you check the bill of lading if it's via sea. Or airway bill if it's via air. Tingnan mo doon, check for the amount. Then whatever amount of the freightage or freight cost in that document shall be your payable freight. Yun yung i-add mo sa yung saan yan?
Kyoto.
Sample, shipment of diapers. Question, diaper, general, dangerous. Kung unused. Pero kung used.
Uy, dangerous na sir.
Okay. So shipment of diapers, tapos amount is 20,000. Cost and freight. Kilogram freight is 1,200. Question, what is the dutiable freight?
21 to.
1 to
Dutiable freight is
1.
1,200 kasi walang ibang information for the freight. Wala invoice na kalagay. Siya lang, di ba, BL. So automatic na siya. Okay? So ano na gagawin dyan? Hindi, CFR, kailangan mo ng FOB,
Minus.
deduct mo siya, not FOB. Bakit mo kailangan mo yung FOB? Of course, for the insurance computation. So later, we'll discuss the insurance. Pero, to answer this question, the amount of rotation to dutiable freight is 1,200. But in solutions, of course, you have to deduct the freight, you have FOB, then from FOB, you add dutiable. Ano yung sequence? May FOB ka na yung other dutiable freight. Pero may insurance pa yan, pero kaya lang, inuuna natin siya.
FOB plus.
So hindi pa siya DP ha, partial pa lang. FOB and freightage pa lang siya. Okay?
Ano sa GC?
If
Hopefully ha, mahuwa na ito din ano karon, no? Okay.
If the freight
So, freight amount in the invoice, BL or LB. Second scenario. 1, 2, 3, fire.
If the freight charges appears in both
the commercial invoice or the bill of lading or airway bill, the higher value shall be deemed as the dutiable freight cost.
Very simple, right?
Whichever is higher.
Nasa invoice, nasa BL. Higher shall be used as
Okay, say ako.
dutiable freight.
Okay, sir.
That's the rule. Okay.
For example,
CFR 20,000, invoice freight 1,000, BL freight is 1,200.
1 to ang gamiton, sir.
So dutiable freight is
1 to.
1. But the question is, di ba mag-determine pa tayo ng FOB?
Minus
Which
gyapon,
amount that
sir.
you will be deducted?
1 to gyapon, sir. Ah, yes. 1 to gyapon, sir.
Bakit?
Higher
And remember, the higher freight shall be used only in the computation of DB from FOB.
Okay.
Ah,
But from the Incoterm down to FOB, use the invoice always.
so
So,
1,000.
Okay? Always use the invoice. And after that, from FOB down, saka ka na mag nagkatulay mo no?
Safe food siya, sir.
Ay,
Safe food siya.
kung signapin, mabot alas 11, sir.
Pila ko, sir. Nakoy alas 11 siguro.
Basta kay saves daw, sir.
Okay?
Higher pang ano.
Dutiable freight is
Yan na, nasa sa kuhan yan na. Nasa.
Oo, dito. Sir, ano? FOB sa invoice namin.
Kagets na ko 1,000 dahil basta FOB pa.
Para makuha ang FOB, sir, dapat mo.
Invoice,
Invoice
hindi
ang
ka.
bill. Pero
Regardless
pag-
regardless of value.
Regardless of value.
Pero, pa,
Nakuha niyo ang idea?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
From Incoterm, normal sa process.
Invoice.
From FOB down to DB, dito na ka mag-analyze ka ron.
Oo.
Whichever is.
Whichever is
Hindi ganyan,
Okay,
sir. Invoice na nigamit.
Oo, mga vegetable value.
That's it.
That's it. That's it for today.
Nilaki na din sa exam. Ano?
Okay? Kaya nasa exam, paragraph.
Tayo, yan na yun.
Dili na diaper, sir.
Siya din na diapers.
Dili na diaper.
Okay, ikaw,